بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear students, we have done 3 chapters in the previous classes. Do you remember which ones? Yes, you are right. The first one was about our country and its geography. The second chapter was about weather and climate, its definition, and impacts on human life. The third one was about instruments, which are used in measuring weather. Let's start our today's lecture. Dear students, today we are starting the history portion of our syllabus. Chapter 16 is about the early civilization of Pakistan, Mohenjo-Daro. This lesson will give you knowledge of the earliest urban society in the region, its function and impact. Before we proceed, let's see the map. Dear students, this map shows a list of many different races that invaded the subcontinent over the last 3,500 years. Most of them came from East and Central Asia, through the northwest, where Pakistan now stands. Dear students, this is the Khyber Pass. Different races poured through Khyber and Bolan passes, especially from Central Asia, in the northern part of the subcontinent. Dear students, here the following questions arise. Who were the first people to enter the subcontinent, from the northwest? Who followed them, and settled here permanently? Why did they settle here? What attracted them in this region? Who were the original inhabitants of the subcontinent? Dear students, the map shows the Aryans in 1500 BCE entered the subcontinent from the northwest. They were followed by the Persians, the Greeks, and the Scythians, and a few more races into the subcontinent. Dear students, there were a number of reasons which attracted the Aryans to settle here. Pastures for their animals, scenic beauty, plenty of water and food, better opportunities, were the main reasons. The original people of the Indus civilization were called Dravidians. They were peaceful people. The Aryans invaded and defeated them. Dear students, this is an aerial view of Mohenjo-Daro city. The remains of two great cities, Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, as well as hundreds of villages, have been discovered. The people of these cities were called Dravidians. Mohenjo-Daro is located near Larkana, in the province of Sindh, Pakistan. In the next lecture, we will discuss in more details about this city and its inhabitants. Dear students, today, we discussed different races, which came into subcontinent, and the reasons for their coming. We came to know that the Aryans were the oldest civilization, which came from Central Asia, through Khyber Pass. Dear students, feel free to ask your subject teacher any question about the Aryans. Dear students, you are advised to do the given homework and read the required pages of your book. It will provide you basic knowledge about the Indus region. The links at bottom will help you to discover more about today's topic. Dear students, I hope today's lecture was very interesting for you. We had many information about our past. Dear students, feel free to ask your subject teacher any question about the Aryans. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.